We have a word problem for this question. It says Diane spent $133 on shirts. It is important that you highlight the information that's given. $103 on shirts. Fancy shirts cost $7. Plain shirts cost $9. If she bought a total of 17 shirts, how many fancy shirts did she buy? So we're looking for how many fancy shirts did she buy. In this type of problem, we have two items. We have fancy shirts and plain shirts. So we have two items that we don't know. We don't know how many fancy shirts you have or she bought. And we don't know how many plain shirts she bought. Therefore, we're going to have a system of equations. First, we're going to deal with the money. Money. So how much money did she spend? We know that she spent $7 for each fancy shirt. So it'll be $7 for each fancy shirt, multiplying together, plus $9 for every plain shirt, $9 for every plain, multiplying together. It's equal to $133. That's how much she spent. This will tell me how much she spent on the fancy shirts. This will tell me how much she spent on the plain shirts. So if she bought 3, it'll be 3 times 9, it'll be $27. And this is the total amount. The second equation that we need to have, since we have two unknowns, we have F and P that we need to find, we need two equations. The next equation will be the number of items. So how many items did you buy? 17. So the number of fancy shirts plus the number of plain shirts is equal to 17. And because it's always on standard form, we are going to solve it by substitution. It's asking for how many fancy shirts. Therefore, I'm going to cancel the P, so I'll give my answer right away. To cancel the P's, I'm going to multiply by -9. My first equation will stay the same. 7F plus 9P is equal to 133. My second equation gets multiplied by -9, -9F minus 9P, and multiply 17 times 9, so it gets me 17 times 9. Some of you guys can do it in your head very quickly. That'll be 63, carry 6. 9 plus 6 will be 153, so it gives me -153. The p's cancel, and that will give me a -2f is equal to -20. We're going to divide by -2. That will cancel, so f is equal to 10. Therefore, we have 10 fancy shirts that Diane bought. Remember, if you by any chance cancel the f's, then you'll get a value of p, and then you just have to substitute in here to find your value of f.